Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. Good morning. Welcome to my channel. My name is Peter, your host. Today, we are going to talk about some good news which came out yesterday. Yesterday, the U.S. Department of State came out with a publication about the visa bulletin for April 2026. We've been predicting that it will come out, but we didn't know the exact time as predicted. But a lot of people were caught by surprise yesterday when the news was published in their website. So first of all, let us, for those ones who do not know what a visa bulletin is, I'm sure there are a lot of people out there who would like to have more knowledge on this visa bulletin. So the visa bulletin is a U.S. monthly. Applicants are to determine when to file their application or finish processing based on whether their provisional date is current as compared to the chart given in the publication. Let us look at some of the key aspects of the bulletin. What is the purpose? It manages the demand for immigrant visas to ensure they do not exceed annual quotas. It helps applicants determine when to file their adjustment of status with the U.S. Citizenship Immigration Services. There are two main charts. The final action chart, that's chart A, which indicates when a green card can be approved for a visa issued. Chart B, dates for filing. The chart B indicates when an applicant can submit their adjustment of status application to U.S. Citizenship and Immigration Services. Then we do have a priority dates. Priority dates and the retrogression, that's your priority date, is usually when your petition was filed. If demand exceeds supply, cutoff dates may move backwards, a process known as retrogression. The current with letter C. If your category shows C, current, or your priority date is earlier than the date listed, you can proceed with your application. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a link below this video of the official website from the Department of State showing the visa which was published yesterday. Yesterday was March 17th, 2026, and that was the visa bulletin for April 2026. So if you have time, you can scroll through and read from different categories, and those people who are, it actually shows the family sponsors preferences. For example, we have the F1, which shows the unmarried sons and daughters of U.S. citizens. They have figures there. You can check it out. And the second preferences spouses and children of unmarried sons and daughters of the permanent residents. We have F2A, spouses and children of permanent residents. We have F2B, unmarried sons and daughters 21 years of age or older of permanent residents. Then we have F3, married sons and daughters of US citizens. F4, brothers and sisters of adult US citizens. So they have the figures there, you can see. Then there's information about final action dates for family sponsors, preference cases. There is a chart whereby it's showing the F1, F2A, F2B, F3, and you can actually read that. And then I'm gonna go quick on the dates. I'm scrolling on the dates for this category C. Category C is the diversity immigrant category rank cutoffs, which would apply in May. So for May, immigrant numbers in the DV category are available to qualify DV 2026 applicants, chargeable to all regions, eligible countries are as follows. When an allocation cutoff number is shown, visas are available only for applicants with DV regional lottery rank number. So in there, you will see the regions listed, or DV chargeable areas, except those are listed separately. For example, we have Africa. Africa is actually Africa is 55,000. We have Asia, 35,000. Europe, 20,000. North America, Bahamas, 50. Oceania, 1,500. South America and Caribbean, 3,000. Except Algeria in Africa, except Algeria, which has 37,000. Egypt has 30,000. And Asia, except Nepal, which has 10,000. So really, this is very good news. And those people who participated in the DV Lottery 2026. So this is some good news for you. And which means that pretty soon you may receive your letter to go for interview and process your green card. So keep checking the official website, travel.state.gov, and see if they put an announcement there. But if I see another announcement which I feel that it should get to you guys, I will make a video and then I will share it with you. Otherwise, thank you so much for today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do so. We are growing very fast and I'm very happy. Please, before you exit, consider to subscribe. And that's the only way you guys can make this channel to grow. Thank you so much. Let me know what you think about this video, and hopefully I'll see you in the next video. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye-bye.